Is this OtterBox Symmetry iPhone 16 case going to be worth it for your iPhone 16? Let's find out. OtterBox has always been one of the top phone case companies in my opinion, and this one does live up to their name. Full protection all around the whole case, and you do get raised edges and bezeling, meaning that in some areas of the case it is going to be raised a little bit more. For example, over those camera lenses right here, you can see that raised piece. That's going to offer a lot more protection to your camera lenses. And here on the screen side, you do get those raised edges, so if you were to ever drop your phone screen side down, you have a lot more protection as well. The case is MagSafe compatible with any MagSafe accessories that you do have, and one thing I do like about the MagSafe ring in this one is that it's hidden. So it's actually on the inside of the case instead of being on the outside of the case. So you do have that hidden MagSafe ring in there. I think that's really convenient. And last but not least, right here, you do have that spot for the camera action button as well, so you can use that whenever you need to. Overall though, if you are looking for a highly but simple protective case for your iPhone 16, I would highly recommend this one. Has all the protection that you're gonna need, and not only that, but you also have that hidden MagSafe ring in there too, so you can use all your MagSafe accessories. So definitely would recommend this one.